Okay, so another 3v3. This time it's not same faction. So it could be interesting. I haven't played a lobby with Confeds for a while because there's no like Confeds at Silver League. So I'm hoping this is good. I hope definitely Win doesn't like go for nuke and puts all of his units to defend it. That could be bad. Anyway, let's go. I'm hoping they scout the flank and I'll scout this. Let's go. Let's go to the bridge. Okay. I'm gonna get a power plant soon. I always forget to. Let's get that. No need. Power plant. Send one over there for like an extra crate. Okay, nice, we got a power plant. I'm gonna let Crow have those side containers. He could use them. And yeah, we'll make another supply. Yeah, no, you are not getting that. Yep, I'm getting that. Okay, I got one over there. Let's go. Oh fuck! I thought he would get them. No. Okay. Oh fuck! I thought Crow would get them. Wait, who is Crow actually? Nah, this doesn't look like Crow. I'm gonna like wait for. Oh no, we got that. Yep, let's go. Let's go. We got that. Hell no, bro. Okay, my 4 scouts are gonna scout their entire shit. Okay, 103 and let's scout all of that. Okay, scout that. Yep. Not gonna use a scouting boost, it will just throttle my resources. Make a power plant, yes. Ooh, HQ3 rush, okay. So he might go for Vertex soon. Yes, sir. I forgot who is Kuro. Ooh, I think this is Egyptian king. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Let's keep making stuff. Yep, nice. We might get it. Okay, we might not get it. But who cares? We got their like containers inside of their base, which is actually kind of funny. Is that still building? I don't know. Oh fuck. Okay. Yeah, let's get out. Nah, we are gonna get that for sure. Okay, Wasp and we'll go to HQ3 soon. And they're cooked. Hell yeah. All this guy is not pushing the HQ. Bro. Okay, let's attack this guy first. This is the most important target. If we weaken him, they're cooked. HQ3 and pork factory soon. I call it pork factory because I don't produce any 2 units. My chameleon is shit and mammoths are meh. Like, they are very situational. Ooh, that's bad. But nothing too big. I hope you got some containers at least. Okay, yeah, he still doesn't know. Yes, sir, I'll go to purple. What do I attack? Oh, that, yes, I know what to attack. Hell yeah, that's down. That's absolutely down. Let's go. I don't care if my wasp dies for that. I don't care. Yes, sir. He's gonna try to make a cyclone and it's gonna get pooped. Okay. What's his bro doing? I don't know. Should you? Only one common difference, that's balls. Okay, bro. You really want to do a cheap rush? Okay, I got it. No problems. No issues. Safe and sound. I could use some help over there. Try to kill the assaults. They are the most DPS. Nice, they're good. They're good. Okay, all of them got typhoons. That is weak as fuck. Oh my god. What the fuck happened? What did I do? Bro's just calling me gay. Okay, nice. Nice. I'm gonna rush this guy. He's the big threat. You rush me, I rush you. Not gonna repair that for now. Okay, so Purple's aviation is delayed, so he's not gonna be a threat for too long. Oh, hammers, what? Oh, what? He's gonna rush, yes. My god, the game is lagging again, bruh. Gonna keep boosting. Make this first. Let's see what's cooking. Who is this actually? I want to know. Is it Warmonger or what? Typhoons, yeah, that could be Warmonger. Yes, Cerberus, yeah, that is War. That is definitely Warmonger. Let's see, let's see. Oh, Zeus Factory, nice. Alright. Why is he making Cyclones as a back player? No, don't kill your rocks. I'm gonna make like a few more jacks, then rush to HQ4. That's my plan. So yeah, that could be interesting. He's also HQ4, he's also HQ4. I'm the only one at HQ3. Let's send one. What is he doing? Okay. I'm gonna flank him. Like we can just get that. Oh, let's see how my rifleman does. Still shit, but it's fine. I'm improving it. Though it didn't do too bad. HQ4 now. Now. And like more vehicle factories over here. Why is he making cyclones? That's not what you should do. Bro, you're supposed to make like Vertex or Thors. And what is this? This rush is not real. Yeah, just spam rifleman and you're good. All you need to do, spam rifleman. Imagine if he dies to it, oh my god. Yeah, clear that. I'm gonna send rifleman instead of everything. Otherwise he's just gonna prepare. That and might rush Leviathan, but I don't know. Don't Don't let them get it.
Our unit is under attack.
Okay, now. Got it. Hell no, bro. You will not. Oh, finally, Vertex. Damn. I'm gonna retreat that. I thought he was just making like
Place the building.
this kind of annoying build. But I'll put it there.
Upgrade complete.
Nice, 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 nice. That's good.
Upgrade complete.
He's. Ooh. So far, this battery is kind of weird. Okay, HQ4, HQ4, let's go. Gonna keep boosting.
Allied unit is under attack.
Yes, need that Leviathan. Should I attack him? I don't know. Yeah, let's see what's going on there.
Enemy detected.
No. He's gonna get a Solaris soon. Soon or late. I wanna stop that.
Our unit is under attack.
Bro, you can't make riflemen. Why are you making gun towers? Oh my god, bro. Gun towers are not the way.
Upgrade complete.
Against like Hammer and Zeus rushes. Bro, just spam riflemen. Like, are you serious right now? There's something going on. Wait. Oh, hey, on
Our base is under attack.
Ooh. Okay, he got it.
Upgrade. Our building is destroyed.
Oh god, just make anti-air. Okay, now.
Allied unit is under attack.
Okay, he got his Vertex. Most of them killed. So I'd say it's fair. But now I also have 2 Jack Factories.
Place the building.
Bro. You cannot possibly die to this rush. I swear to God. You actually can't make this shit up. Bro, he's... Now Warmonger might just rush me from here. And all of us are cooked. Bro, attack. You should attack this. Please. I don't want to deal with this Solaris, please. Don't attack that by a pink dude. He's not that good. Attack his Solaris factory. It's just there. Come on, attack it. No. Fast. Yes, go. Yes, I hope you get it within time. Bro. Use air attack just in case. Nice, good. I'm gonna keep my like this. Fuck.
Defuse activated.
Oh, did he get it? Nice. He got it. Yes, let's go. That's good. Now he's cooked. He can't make a Solaris and... Now let's just double tap. Who cares? They might get into formation. What happened? Did he get Solaris? Oh my god, you fucking...